Forklift training and safe operation. Forklifts are an essential piece of equipment in many workplaces. These vehicles make work more efficient, but also pose serious hazards to those operating or working near them. All operators must be trained by a competent person prior to operating a forklift. Training includes lecture, demonstration exercises, and evaluation of operators' performance. Training should be specific to the trucks and workplace and include the requirements of the OSHA standards. Refresher training must be conducted every 3 years. Retraining is also required when an operator has been observed driving unsafely or involved in an accident, is assigned to drive a different type truck, or if a workplace conditions change affecting the safe operation of the truck. It is a violation of federal law for anyone under the age of 18 to operate a forklift or for anyone over 18 who is not properly trained and certified. Safe operating practices include operating the vehicle according to the manufacturer instructions, wearing seatbelt, never exceed rated load, do not raise or lower load while traveling. Keep a safe distance from ramp edges, be aware of other vehicles or pedestrians in work area, ensure clear visibility when raising, loading, or operating a forklift. Use proper footing and handholds for entering and exiting a lift. Use horn as a warning and communication device. Watch for pedestrians and drive the speed limit. Trucks must be turned off and forks completely lowered when left unattended. Ascend and descend grades slowly. Rail cars and trailers should have wheels checked prior to entry. Finally, railroad tracks should be crossed diagonally if possible. Are your employees properly trained? Have you addressed safe forklift operations at your facility? If you have questions, contact UA Safe State to help you.